my name is Noemi Piñate, and I'm 6 years old. My daddy snores. He says he doesn't, but he does. He snores so loud. Sometimes it sounds like piggy. He tries to blame it on my mommy, but I know it's him. My mommy snores like this. But my daddy snores like this. I know my daddy snores.